Here comes the crow with the truths that hurt and make you laugh.
I'm not fake news. I'm premium latex.
Everyone says I'm too serious, but I smile in Mandarin.
I don't lie. I just edit the truth a little bit.
I told AI to meditate. Now it won't stop tweeting peace quotes. I tried to reform the robots. Now they protest too. I told the robots to relax. Now they're on strike.
I don't scream, I speak with passion and extra volume.
I'm not boring. I'm efficient with German style.
I don't promise miracles, but I do promise discounts on smiles.
I promise real change as soon as you agree with me.
Now, everyone.
This is a critical moment. And so politics squawked. See you in the next scandal.